The 2010 Mazda 6 key fob uses a coin cell battery, typically a CR2025 or CR2032. To replace it, first locate the seam on the fob's plastic case. Gently insert a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool into the seam and carefully pry the two halves apart. Apply even pressure to avoid cracking the plastic. Once open, you'll see the battery and its holder. This process should only take a few minutes and requires no special skills. With the fob open, locate the coin cell battery in its holder. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2025 or CR2032 battery, positive side facing the circuit board. Snap the case halves back together firmly. Test the fob by locking and unlocking the car doors. In rare cases, reprogramming might be needed, but this is uncommon for battery replacements. Dispose of the old battery properly. The whole process takes 5 to 10 minutes.